Good morning. I'm Akshara Mamidala, and I'm here to present my internship presentation. This is the agenda for today. I'll go about myself, talk about myself and the organization I'm working for. I'll then talk about the internship description and why this internship is important to me. The overview of the internship experience, the lessons learned, challenges, and the tools I used for the internship. So about me, I'm a pharmacy graduate from India. I'm currently pursuing my master's in professional science degree in biomedical and health informatics at UNC Chapel Hill. I'm also the graduate student representative on the student advisory committee to the chancellor. I'm currently working as a digital analytics intern at BCBSNC. The Carolina Health Informatics program at UNC Chapel Hill offers a Master's in Professional Science degree in Biomedical and Health Informatics program. The Blue Cross NC offers summer internship position as a digital analytics intern within the digital strategy area. About the organization, Blue Cross NC is an independent licensee of Blue Cross and Blue Shield Association. Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Carolina has been committed to making healthcare better, simpler, and more affordable since 1993. Today, Blue Cross NC is a fully taxed not-for-profit North Carolina company with major operation centers in Durham. About 4,800 employees serve customers and communities for more than 3.81 million members, including 1.1 million served on behalf of other Blue plans. Blue Cross NC employees work hard not only for their customers, but for the communities where they live and work for. The goals of the organization are to improve the health and well-being of customers and communities. And it also strives to be a consumer-focused health solutions company that leads the transformation of healthcare system. The internship description, I currently work in the digital strategy team in Blue Cross NC, which creates implementation specs for tracking, supports tracking implementations on Blue Cross NC portals. As an intern, I develop and maintain analytics implementations and strategies, review the administration of digital analytics solutions, and also define tracking requirements. I also perform website utilization analysis using tools such as Adobe Analytics, Tealeaf, and Opinion Lab. The other tasks I perform include creating dashboards in Adobe Analytics and Tableau, which I present to the stakeholders. I also work in identifying the key performance indicators. I perform the data cleaning after extracting the data from the website. Also work on some real-time Jira tickets, which are problems issued by the stakeholders on different segments of the website. I also provide day-to-day support for the maintenance and upkeep of the dashboards and the reports of the Blue Cross NC website. I work along with the team to provide valuable key performance metrics for BCBSNC projects such as Student Blue, Blue Connect, and Blue Link. So why is this important? Digital analytics allows us to stand back and get the big picture and see what is working and what isn't in an overall strategy so we can adjust. It also allows to have a data-driven approach, and as such in healthcare, having data-driven approach will always provide better results and is much essential. So the overview of internship experience, I can honestly say that the time I spent interning with Blue Cross NC has resulted in one of the best summers of my life. My network has drastically increased, and I learned a lot from my team members about how to be effective as well as have fun while learning. Not only that, but the positive and constructive feedback from my manager and the team members has helped me to improve my work every single day. For example, I was working on this dashboard for a Jira ticket request from one of our stakeholders, and it was my first time, actually working on a Jira ticket. So while I was presenting the dashboard to the stakeholders, my manager made sure that he mentioned them that this is the first time I'm actually working on a real-time ticket, and appreciated the work I've done. So that actually boosted my confidence and helped me actually solve many more tickets, which I'm doing right now. So the lessons learned are, I learned to take risks and also try something new. While applying for this position, I only knew the basics about the requirements for this position, but that actually has helped me learn better and faster because I didn't have preconceived notions about the software that has to be used and stuff like that. Not only that, but I was also able to ask questions, and as my manager mentioned in the midpoint report, that I ask questions only after doing my research. So that's something I learned about myself, which I didn't know prior to this experience. So overall, it was a fantastic experience, and challenges faced were, frankly, there weren't many. The work environment was healthy, the team was friendly, but I feel that I didn't have a particular project that I can showcase, and due to the company's policies that I can't reveal the project I'm working on right now. So because I mentioned to them that I'll be presenting to my university, and then they mentioned that I shouldn't be sharing any details about the project I'm working on. So I can only give a brief about what I'm working on and not a particular project, and that I think is a challenge. And also there wasn't much work assigned to me in the initial days, which I feel was a little up and down for me, because I didn't know as an intern that if I'll be given work, and this is a very data driven position, and the team has to trust me to give such confidential data. So right now I'm in a position where I'm using that kind of data, but in the earlier weeks, I wasn't given much work which involved data. So these are the kind of dashboards I developed in the project. These aren't the actual ones. They look similar to these, but due to the policy of the company, I cannot share the actual dashboards that I have made. So this dashboard is made using Adobe Analytics, where I extract the data from the Blue Cross NC website regarding different segments. Like for Student Blue, we have a segment. For customers, we have a segment. So for different segments, I extract the data and make some visualizations. Like for example, you can see here the website analytics of particular segment. It gives a page views. It also gives a unique users who have been using visiting the page, the website visits, and simultaneously providing the visualizations for the same. So the visualizations look somewhat similar to this, but not exactly this. So the tools I used were Adobe Analytics, Tea Leaf, Opinion Lab, and of course, Microsoft Excel. So these are the references, and thank you. If you have any questions, I can answer.